For many college students, the cost of tuition can be a burden. At Arizona State University, the average cost of tuition for an out of state student is roughly $25,000 or more a year. At the Walter Cronkite School, Jonathan Rugg, a junior with a major in journalism and mass communication, addressed the
The
matter
cost of
of
going to
tuition.
ASU is high, and we as students pay a lot of fees, and if you're out of state, you pay a lot of tuition. I know that the fees are about $1,000 because I have $1,000 scholarship every semester based on good grades, and that's the College Success Award, and that just covers all of my fees. And then I'm stuck with paying about $12,000 a semester in out-of-state tuition. And it's the cost of going to college though. It's really what helps you achieve upward mobility in a society, and it's technically the cost of doing business. And it sucks, and it sucks paying that chunk of cash out every semester, but in the end, it's worth it.
These are the fees an undergraduate will pay each semester for the education they seek at Arizona State University. I'm Madeline Stack with Cronkite News.